Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to cancel your 11 Labs subscription. Also, if you want to open a new account after this video, you can use my link from the description below and you will get a small discount. So let's get started. Once you log in into your 11 Labs account, this speech tab will open up first. So from here, you just need to go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile. Once you clicked on your profile, go to subscriptions right here. That will lead you to the page with your subscription details. On this page, you can see your current plan along with your subscription status. So once you're here, you need to go to Manage Subscription right here on the right part of the screen. Click on Manage Subscription. After a few moments, this page will load. On this page, you can see your payment details along with your next payment date. Once you're here, simply click on Cancel Plan right here. That will load another page with some additional details about your plan. So to proceed, simply click this yellow button that says Cancel Plan. As you can see, this new pop-up window says that your subscription has been cancelled, but they still ask you for some additional information. You can select whichever one of these works for you, or you can just press No thanks. And as you can see, your plan is cancelled and you can still use your account until your next billing date. And that's how you cancel your 11 Labs subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.